As a global call forwarding customer, you have access to our cloud communication solutions, including our integrations. Now you can easily connect your global call forwarding phone service with your HubSpot CRM. This integration lets you make and receive calls from your HubSpot pages using the global call forwarding Softphone. You can also automatically log calls, sync contacts, record and transcribe calls, and more. So, how do you get started? To use our HubSpot Softphone integration, you'll need a HubSpot account and a global call forwarding outbound calling subscription. Our outbound calling plan comes with a Softphone app that you can use to place calls from your Windows devices. Now, let's activate the HubSpot Softphone integration. First, log into your global call forwarding control panel with your email and password. In the Services menu on the left, click on the Integrations option. Find the HubSpot Softphone integration and click on Activate. Choose the pins you would like to integrate with HubSpot and click Continue. These pins are associated with your desired outbound lines. Before you leave, make a note of your outbound lines pins and passwords. You will need this to connect HubSpot and global call forwarding. Agree to the terms and complete the activation. Now, open your GCF Softphone desktop or mobile app and log in with your global call forwarding credentials, the same user IDs and passwords you just noted. Then go to Settings and CRM Integrations and click on Activate CRM Connector for HubSpot. A new window will open. Log in using your HubSpot credentials. That's it. Your HubSpot CRM and GCF Softphone are now connected. You can make and receive calls in two ways. First, call directly from the GCF Softphone app. Open the contacts within the Softphone. Here, you will see both HubSpot contacts and GCF contacts listed. This automatically updates and syncs. Find and click the number or contact you wish to call, and call. To receive inbound calls within the Softphone app, you will set Forward all calls to the outbound line user ID you log into the Softphone with. In the Softphone, you can also view call history in the Recent tab, manage contacts and voicemails, and adjust outgoing caller ID settings. The second option is to use our click-to-dial extension to make outbound calls. Once activated, you'll find a click-to-dial button next to all phone numbers within the CRM. With the HubSpot integration, every call and customer interaction is streamlined, saving your team's time and improving communication efficiency. This integration makes it easy to connect with customers and manage all calls directly from your CRM. For more information on how to use the GCF Softphone and HubSpot integration, check our resources below or reach out to your account manager. We're here to help.